Gosh, it used to be so difficult for me to upload media to Camtasia. I mean, it was a pain in the butt. But in this video, I'm not only going to show you one way, and not two ways, but three different ways you can upload media to Camtasia. And one of the ways uses a little known app, and it's absolutely free, and I'm going to show you where you can get it. So let's get going. Okay, so I just opened up Camtasia. First thing we're going to want to do is go over here to new project, unless of course you're uploading media to a project you've already started. That should open up Camtasia for us, and then we can get to uploading media. Now I will tell you, I'm going to share with you three different ways you can upload media into Camtasia. The second one requires an app, but I'm going to show you how to get it absolutely free. So let's go over the three ways. First way is you can upload media from your computer, directly from your computer to Camtasia. The second way is you can upload media from your mobile device. Now, this is the way that you're going to need an extra app, but this extra app is going to save you so much time, and I'll explain to you why later on. In addition to that, I'm going to show you how you can upload media from Google. So let's get started. This is what you're going to see on a fresh project where there's nothing in here. Over here in your media bin, there's nothing here. There's a big button. Obviously, it says import media. There's also a plus sign down here, and you can click on that too. You can add media from various locations to use in your video project. Let's use the big green button first. I'm going to click right here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to select some video off my computer. Let's select this one here. I was doing some videos earlier with my wife, and we had a bunch of videos in there. So let's use one of these. Now, as soon as I click it, it's going to take a second and it'll populate. It'll pop up right over here. I'm going to take this media and just drag it down to the timeline just to show you what it looks like. You see how all this is turned blue? That means you can release now, and that media will be in your timeline. See the big problem here? Even though I have media, there's nothing in the screen. It's black. The reason for that is where I put this media. The playhead will always be off to the left on a new project. And if I slide it over, boom, now we can see something. So you have to have that playhead over the media. So if you're ever missing media and you can't figure out where it is, look for your playhead. That's probably the problem. Now, the second way that you can upload media, which I just told you, you're going to need an app, but let me show you how to get that app, how to use that app, and how to upload media directly to Camtasia without having to upload it to computer. So it's going to go directly from your phone to Camtasia. Let's do that right now. Now, in order for this to work, you're going to have to download an app to your phone. It's called TechSmith Capture. And once you've downloaded it to your phone, then you're going to use this particular app to actually transfer over the files from your phone to the Camtasia program. Then I'll see that app on my phone, so I'm going to click on that app. It will open up my photos. Then I select the photo that I want to open up or the video that I want to open up. Select that, and then it will say choose. I'm going to pick choose, and it will upload it, and it gets it ready. It's the top one right there. They put them in order in the library in this app. So I'm going to select that particular video. And once I select that video, a screen will pop up like this, and you can see it uploading to get ready to send it over to Camtasia. And it's going to give me this screen here, and it has different options at the bottom. And of course, I'm going to pick Camtasia. That's where I want it to go to. So I'm going to select Camtasia. And when I do that, it will upload it to Camtasia. And now I have it in my library of Camtasia. The last way to upload media to Camtasia is from your Google Drive. Now, of course, you have to have a Gmail account, and you have to have something in your Google Drive. But then what you do is you go over to this plus sign. If you notice that big green button's gone, as soon as you have media in here, it's going to block all that out. So you need to go to this plus sign right here, and you want to click import from Google Drive. So I'm going to click that. Now, this is Google Drive, and as you can see, there's nothing here. There's nothing shared, nothing starred, nothing. Why is that? Here's why. If you're ever missing media, you have to be signed into your Google account that is attached to your Google Drive, which is right here. And then you're going to see all of your media, provided you have media in your Google Drive. Then it will allow you to click this button here that says import, and it will bring it right into your Camtasia program. Let's go ahead and close out of that. Now, once you've got your media down here, there's a whole lot of other things you can do with it. Some really cool stuff, and I'm going to cover that in future videos. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video and you got something out of it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and turn on your bell notifications so you know when I go live or if I upload a new video. And if you really want to move your business forward, check out this video right here. I think you're really going to like it. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.